In this lesson, let's learn about expressing multiplication of variables and expressions. 文字と式、乗法の表し方。The first rule is that in variable expressions, we remove the multiplication sign. 2 times x becomes 2x. The second rule is that when we multiply a number and a variable together, in the product, the number value comes first. X times 1 over 3 is expressed as 1 over 3x. The third rule is that when we multiply 1 or negative 1 with a variable, we omit the 1. 1 times a is expressed as a. Negative 1 times a is expressed as negative a. However, keep in mind that 0.1 times a is expressed as 0.1a. The fourth rule is that variables are written in alphabetical order. b times a is written as ab. The fifth rule is that when we multiply a number and an expression together, the expression comes afterwards. Parentheses a plus b parentheses times 5 is written as 5 parentheses a plus b parentheses. The sixth rule is that when multiplying the same variables together, use exponents in the product. A times a becomes a squared. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. For number 1, 4 times x, the answer is 4x. For number 2, x times 8, the answer is 8x. For number 3, 8 times parentheses, negative 1 parentheses, the answer is negative a. For number 4, y times x, the answer is xy. For number 5, parentheses, a minus b parentheses times 3 over 5, the answer is 3 over 5 parentheses, a minus b parentheses. For number 6, a times b, the answer is a squared b. Were you able to answer all 6 problems correctly? Finally, let's review what we have learned. In variable expressions, we omit the multiplication sign. When we multiply a number and a variable together, in the product, the number value comes first. When we multiply 1 or negative 1 with a variable, we omit the 1. Variables are written in alphabetical order. When we multiply a number, an expression together, the expression comes afterwards. Lastly, when multiplying the same variables together, use exponents in the product. That concludes this lesson.